Good evening all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Today we are going to practice Suryatam practice, Surya Namaskaras. We will practice around 15 to 20 Surya Namaskara today. First Surya Namaskara I will teach thoroughly. First you can observe or just you can observe while doing the practice. Then after that you can I will tell the count. Then you can follow with that count. Let us start today's practice. First I will chant the prayer. Then according to that you can follow or just you can, if you know, you can chant. Otherwise you can just listen and start the Surya Namaskara practices. Stand direct, legs straight, tighten the thighs, tighten the shoulders, stretch the hands, inhale and expand the chest. Be in this position. This is Tadasana. This is basic asana for any postures or asanas or any Surya Namaskar also. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Chant one round of Omkara. Inhale deeply. All together, Surya Namaskara mantra. Om Hiranymayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tattvam Poshanna Parvanu Satya Dharmaya Drushtaye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are praying to the sun god to remove this Maya and suffering. Let us show us the Satya and Dharma. Now we'll start. I will just, you can observe or just you can observe while doing the asana. Now, step 1, inhale. Slowly bend up to 20 degrees or according to your capacity. 2, exhale slowly. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. Otherwise, according to your capacity. 3, again inhale and stretch your right leg. Your knee and your toes should touch to the ground. And this should be 90 degree angle. And keep, it should be aligned with your both the hands. Again, exhale, 4th step. It should be, this is Chaturanga Dandasana. This should be 30 degree angle from the ground. It should be like Chatur Danda, means two hands and 2 toes, 2 feet are touching to the ground. That's why it is called Chaturanga Dandasana. Now inhale and exhale, come to Shashankasana. There are different styles of Surya Namaskara has, but in SVASA, it is a research based Surya Namaskara. That is why we are doing Shashankasana. In many yoga institutes, they will not do this practice. This is Shashankasana. You need to be normal breathing in this asana. Now exhale. This is Ashtanga Namaskara. you are touching 8 angas: head, forehead, chest, both the hands and both the knees and both the foot. You are touching to the 8 angas are touching to the ground. 8 ಅಂಗಗಳು ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. Now inhale and stretch it. This is Bhujangasana, 7th step. You need to feel the stretching in your back. Your knees should touch to the ground. Feel the stretching in your back. Now 8. Exhale. This is Parvatasana. This is very good for blood circulation. It will increase the blood circulation in your head region. Now inhale and exhale again. Shashankasana. In this posture, you need to be normal breathing. This asana will help to relieve the stress and strain during the practice of Surya Namaskara. So you can do as much as you want. If you are doing this asana in between, it will give the relaxation in action. Now inhale, same leg. Every time right leg has to come first and right leg has to go back. Now exhale, 11th step. Now again inhale and stretch backward and come to Namaskara Sthiti. This completes the one round of Surya Namaskara. Now we'll practice around 15 to 20. How much we can able to complete? We can complete. After that, 5 minutes of Shavasana we will do. Start the practice. 1 minute, 1 set. I will set the timing in a life cycle app. Now it is counting. Adapt Namaskara Mudra. 1, 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, inhale and exhale 5, again exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 8, again inhale and exhale 9, again inhale 9, exhale 10, inhale 12. Now second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the stretching. 8. Try to touch your heels to the ground. 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Namaskara Sthiti. Set 3, 1, inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, again inhale and exhale 5, Do the normal breathing. Exhale 6. Hold the breathing. Inhale 7, 8, 9. Do the normal breathing. 10, 11, 12. Come to Namaskara Stuti. Set for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. Hold the breathing. 7. Inhale 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Namaskara Stuti. You need to stretch your thighs while standing. Stand erect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Namaskara Stuti. Set 6. 1, 2. Slow and steady practice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Namaskara Stuti. Set 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Feel the stretching. 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 9. Stretch your thighs. 1, 2. Slow and steady practice. 3, 4, 5. Normal breathing. 6. Exhale and 6. Hold the breathing. 7. Inhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Inhale and exhale. Do the normal breathing. Inhale 10. Exhale 11. Inhale 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your whole body. 5. Normal breathing. 6. Exhale and hold the breathing. 7. Weight is equally be distributed on hands and legs. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 13. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Again inhale and exhale 5. Do the normal breathing. Exhale 6. Hold the breathing. Inhale 7. Feel the stretching in your back. Exhale 8. Inhale and exhale 9. Do the normal breathing. Inhale 10. Exhale 11. Inhale 12. Come to Pranamasana. Set 14. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ 1, ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ 2, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ 3, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ 4, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ 5, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತರ ಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ 6, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು 7, 7, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ 8, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಶ್ವಸಂಚಲನಾಸನ 10, ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್ 11, ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು 12. ಕಮ್ ಟು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಸೆಟ್ 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to Pranamasana. Now set 16. Last set. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Now inhale and exhale 5. Exhale 6. Now inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale and exhale 9. Do the normal breathing. Inhale 10. Exhale 11. Inhale 12. Come to Pranamasana. This completes the 16th set. Now we'll go ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಂತದ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಸವಿತ್ರ ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವರೂಪನಾದ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕಮ್ ಟು ಶವಾಸನ. ಶವಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Lie down on supine position. We'll do 5 minutes of shavasana relaxation. Relax your toes. Relax your knee joints. Relax your thighs. Relax your stomach. Relax your chest by inhale and exhale and relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Relax your neck by moving right and left. Relax your whole body from toes to head. Keep a smiling face. Just observe your stomach. Observe your breathing. Observe your whole body consciously. Just listen my instructions. Don't look at the camera. Now inhale deeply. Exhale completely. ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ. Inhale. Feel the cold air entering your nostril. Exhale slowly. Feel the warm air is coming out from your nostril. Inhale. Feel the lightness of your body. Exhale. Feel the relaxation of your body. Inhale. Feel all the cells of your body are getting energized and relax whole body. Be silent for 10 seconds. 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡುಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಶಾಂತ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರಿ. Fully relax. Now inhale deeply and chant one round of Omkara. Slowly join your both the legs, hands by the side of the body. Now inhale and lift your left hand above your head, right hand on the stomach. Slowly fold the right leg and slowly turn to your left side and stretch your both the legs and hand, right hand on the thighs. Feel the linear awareness. Now come to sitting position. Slowly, don't open your eyes. Slowly sit in any comfortable posture. Padmasana or Vajrasana or Sukhasana. But your back should be straight. ಬೆನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. Now adopt Namaskara Mudra. We'll start closing prayer. Repeat after me. Or you can tell together. Chant one round of Omkara. Inhale deeply. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ओम शांति 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 ಕಂಟಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸುಖವಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೋಗದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತರಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಲಿ. ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ರಬ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಪಾಮ್, ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಜಿ and make a cup shape and keep it on your eyes. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಮೇಲಿಡಿ. Feel the warmth and slowly spread your both the palms on your face and slowly open your eyes by looking at your palms. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಿರಿ and relax. This completes today's Surya Namaskara practice. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.